Hi mathematicians, it's Miss Johnson, and today we're going to be looking at how do we find the missing angle in a shape when we have similar figures. So remember that the corresponding angles or the matching angles in similar figures are congruent or equal. Okay, so as we look at this first shape, these first two shapes here, we see this one is a little bit smaller than this one, and they are similar. So we can look, we see this angle right here is 45. We see this one is 45. This one is 70. This one is 70. So those are the matching angles, right? So this one matches with that. So the 153 will match with this one. So we know that that angle is also 153 degrees. And we know that if this angle is 85, then that means this angle right here also must be 85 degrees. Okay, so by definition of similar figures, we know that those angles are equal. Sometimes they give us figures that are not facing the same direction. So you see like this one's like flipped around from this one, but they give us a clue here with this. So this is saying MNPQ is similar to RSTU, and the letters match. Okay, so correspond. So the M corresponds with the R. So what I do is I put what matches together. So I know that the M and the R match from this. So I'll put an R here, and I'm going to put an M here. That's going to make it easy for me to be able to tell what angle goes with what angle. Because sometimes they flip them, and when they flip them, it really gets confusing about which matches with which. Okay, so if you label them, then they can't confuse you because it's labeled and you have it right there. Okay, so let's say we're looking for Z, which is here. So if we're looking for Z, that is here with M, and we know M matches with R. So I go to R, and it says it's 115 degrees. So this angle is 115 degrees. Okay, now let's look at the pentagon. So same kind of thing, right? They're flipped around. It's pretty easy to see the flip around, but if you're like me, I really need to really be able to see it clearly and not get confused. So I'm going to match up the letters. So A and Q match. B and L. C and M. D and N. And E and P. Okay, so it looks like I've got Q right here missing. Q right here is missing. So I know that Q matches with A, so I just got to go look at A right here, and A is 112. So I know that this angle is 112 degrees. And if I'm looking for this angle right here, angle E, I know that it matches with P. Oops, I just erased it. I know that it matches with P, so I just have to come over here and find P, which is here, and it's 113, so that means E is also 113. And it is literally as easy as that. Some kids say, it can't be that easy, but literally it's as easy as that. The corresponding angles, so you just got to figure out which angles match, and then they're equal. And that's it. All right, have a great day.